The city of Springfield plans to allocate nearly $7 million from the state's opioid recovery and remediation fund. 22 News reporter Kaylee Thomas joins us live in studio after attending a listening session where city officials discussed how the funding will be used to combat the ongoing opioid crisis.
That's right, Ciara. The city of Springfield is determined to tackle the opioid crisis head on, which has affected countless individuals and families in the city.
A lot of individuals that are having fatal overdoses, which, we know is an issue, and unfortunately it continues to increase.
The city of Springfield's North End, South End, Metro Center, Mason Square, and Indian Orchard neighborhood are seeing the most overdoses, according to Health and Human Services Commissioner Helen Colton-Harris.
We know that individuals of African American and Latin descent are really individuals who show up most in the data.
The city expects to spread out $7 million over the next 15 years for substance use prevention, harm reduction, treatment, and recovery. There's a request for proposals process to award these funds to local nonprofit organizations to curb the opioid crisis throughout the city and surrounding neighborhoods. The city's health department has already gone through an intensive process with interviews, focus groups, and surveys to gather information about community expectations for programs and results. One expectation is to increase communication between the agencies and the city's Department of Health.
And so that we know when potentially a bed opens, that we are doing harm reduction strategies and outreach and making sure we're working with families as well.
Through this initiative, the department also hopes to see an increase in availability for treatment and recovery programs, as well as transportation services within the city. The deadline for the city's grant application is December 30th. Qualifying applicants will be notified on February 1st. Working for you, Kaylee Thomas, 22 News.